Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 12 Parallel Lines Exercise 12 question number 3. This one says, give the measures of angles A, B, C, D, E, F and G in the given figure alongside. So, this figure they have given to us, we have to tell the measures of all of the angles. Okay. So only one angle is given out of the 8 angles when this transversal is intersecting here. This is the transversal which is intersecting, okay, and through the middle 8 angles are being formed in total, out of which only one is given, that is this 55 degrees. How can we find the other angles? See, A will be 55, 180 minus 55, because you can see this 55 degree and A both are lying on this straight line with the black color, right? This straight line, they both are lying on this straight line, and you know that if one angle we know, then the other we can find by subtracting the one angle from 180. So A will be equal to 180 minus 55, and then you see B will be equal to 55 because they are vertically opposite angles. We'll come to that later, but first let us see what will be A. So you write over here that angle A is equal to 180 minus 55 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees minus 55 degrees because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, now this will be how much? 125 degrees, right? So A equals to 125 degrees. Now you write angle B is equal to 55 degrees. Sorry, this is not vertically opposite angles, this is linear pair because it is lying on the same line, right? So this is a linear pair, not a vertically opposite angle. Then what else do we have here? Let's see. Then angle B equals 55 degrees, because you can see that B is vertically opposite angle to 55. This is B and this is 55. So they are made up of two intersecting lines. You can see this one. Okay, this is one and this is the other one, with one main and common vertex. So this means they will be equal, their measure will be equal. When a transversal intersects a parallel line, the vertically opposite angles are equal, right? So this will write as the vertically opposite angles. Then C, so what will C be equal to? C will also be equal to A. Okay, you write it here that angle A equals to C and angle C, because the reason is again same, vertically opposite angles, right? See over here, this is our angle A and angle C. What else do we have here? So this is A and this is C. In this we can see that both of them are vertically opposite to each other, this A and this C. So they are lying opposite to each other. This means that they will be equal, their measures will be equal. So this we write as angle C equals to 55 degrees, sorry, 125 degrees, because A is 125 degrees, right? Then we move on to the next half, this one, D, F, G and E. Okay, so in this you can see that D is corresponding angle to A, because A is lying on the same side and it is, one is on the exterior and the other is on the interior, right? A is in the exterior and D is in the interior. So this means they are corresponding angles, and corresponding angles have their sum as the same, their sum is equal, right? So we'll go ahead and write angle A equals to angle D, because they are corresponding angles, right? And this becomes angle D is equal to how much? 125 degrees. Okay, 125 degrees. Now when we know D is 125, right, and F will be how much? 55, because it is vertically opposite angles. Okay, so we'll go ahead and write it here that angle F is equal to 55 degrees, because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so this angle F equals what? 55 degrees. Now we have angle E and G left, right? So you can see E is vertically opposite to D. So I'll erase this, right? You'll see that this much part of angle E is vertically opposite to this much of D. How? You can see that it is having made up of two intersecting lines with one common vertex, right? So this means it is vertically opposite, so it will be equal, the measure will be equal. So angle D equals to angle E, right? Then next, and also write here that angle E equals to how much? 125 degrees. And then what else do we have? This is vertically opposite angles, right? Vertically opposite angles. And then what else do we have? The last angle left is angle G and angle F, right? So you can also see over here that this is G and this much part is F. Again it is vertically opposite angles, so F, we know what is the measure of X, 55 degrees. So angle G also will be 55 degrees only, right? So angle F equals to angle G because of vertically opposite angles. So basically in total this question was of vertically opposite angles, right? So we can say that we can say over here that what angles are of 125 degrees and what angles are of 55 degrees, right? So we can say A and D and C and E, all of these angles are of 125 degrees, right? And the rest are of 55 degrees. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.